What do I say when I sneeze, akhi? Someone told me there was something to say.
Akhi, when you sneeze, you should say Alhamdulillah.
So I should say Alhamdulillah after I sneeze.
Afterwards, I would say Yarhamukallah.
Okay, so you're going to tell me, you're going to say to me, Yarhamukallah. So then after that, someone told me that there's something else that I have to say.
You should say Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu balakum.
So I'm going to say, Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu balakum.
Ahsan.
Okay, so where is this found in? What is this hadith even authentic?
It's authentic. It's been narrated by Al-Bukhari.
So it's actually narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari.
Yes.
Jazakallah khair for teaching me something new. Brothers and sisters, let the sunnah go forth.
And don't stop it, barakallah fikum.